I think the format is a unique event in the sense of the presentation content followed by in-person small format or one-on-one kind of interviews is really nice to see.
I think it's the one-to-one, and then the just the taking care of everybody here at the venue. So it's a great hotel. It's everybody's great to work with, and like I said, they're on top of everything.
I think the level of professionalism stands out. You know how well it's organized. Personally, I like the fact that it's kind of packed in a couple days. It's a couple full days, but they're very interactive.
I guess the fact that it's pretty niche on packaging, and it's not like larger scope like other meetings.
It's small, which makes it a little bit more personal and intimate.